On September the 28th, 2022, Hurricane Ian made landfall near Sanibel Island as a Category 4 storm, causing massive destruction and isolating the island from the mainland. With the world watching, the storm ripped through Sanibel Island and Fort Myers.
Coming onto the island, it was just devastating. It was really hard to see. Places that had resorts were just flat. We came to our resort and we met with the First Onsite staff there.
The damage was extensive, and the cleanup effort was going to be a massive undertaking.
For Hurricane House, we had been working with the property managers for a few years now, and they had called us before the storm, letting them know if my property here is affected, we would like you to service it. So after the storm happened, we got in there right away, we got crews in there right away, and we started performing demolition.
So the DR, drying and restoration, they come in and they do the selective demo upon moisture mapping and finding out, where the damage is, where the moisture is.
Hurricane House was 2 buildings, 15 units, plus a sales office affected, plus pavers, pool, the roof, various damages to the outside. We got in there as soon as demolition was finished, and we started rebuilding the property.
Having done some work in the construction business and worked with construction companies, and being an engineer, I could tell these guys knew what they were doing.
After months of working around the clock, the restoration of Hurricane House is nearly complete, bringing it back to its pre-loss condition.
The communication with the First Onsite staff was excellent. All 3 of the board members, we were all very impressed with their competence and the quality of the interactions.
More than not, I think the property owners and the client are appreciative of the transparency. Keeping them in the loop and letting them know fully what's going on their property is key.
Now the project is completely finished. With a brand new pool area, we added several enhancements. We increased the size of the gated-in area in the backyard, all new pavers around. The pool was completely refinished. The rooms looked practically brand new.
The final outcome of this whole process over the last 18 months, I guess it's been, is amazing in terms of what was accomplished. The fact that we were able to get these things done as quickly, I think, is a tribute to our management company, obviously, but I think also in the relationship they had with First Onsite.
Mother Nature might come back for another round, another day or another year. We can't stop it from happening. It's going to do what it does. Having trust in a 24/7, 365 type partner like First Onsite, I think that there'd be more of the emotion of here we go again, rather than, oh no.
The most important thing in these events is having a restoration partner like First Onsite, not just in a hurricane, but year round. So if a pipe breaks, a sprinkler line, we'll get out there right away. In the event of a hurricane especially, we get down there, we can help with preventative maintenance, but then we also get in there, we work hand in hand with your adjusters or consultants to make sure your property gets brought back to the same condition, if not better.
The important thing there would be to have a relationship already in place before these events happen, because once they happen, it's a scramble to get anything done if you haven't got somebody in place that's ready to hit the ground running.
First Onsite Property Restoration. Together we rise.